Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing, and we're out at this house. We're here about once a year. Usually we do the shop because they do custom cabinets, but a lot of times we'll do the shop in the house, the shop, and the deck. Now this year we're doing the shop and the deck. And on the deck, it's mostly just pollen, a lot of pollen. So this enclosed deck doesn't get hardly any sun, but then it doesn't get a lot of moisture either, except for just general moisture. So I could not find any mold here. So being that there's no mold, all we did was we used our surfactant or soap to help lift the pollen, and then I used very low pressure, and I turned my machine way down because it's like it doesn't need to be blasted off, especially with that engineered wood Trex type decking. It just needs to be rinsed. So a lot of rinsing, low pressure, did all the furniture and everything, all of that. But this is mostly just a depollination of the area, quite honestly. So that's what we're doing. We're out towards Shelbyville in a beautiful area. They got a lot of acreage here, and beautiful shop, beautiful home. They built that barn dominium for a relative that now son lives in there. It's just nice. This is new. This one right here is new. I don't remember that last year, or actually it could have been just getting started in it last year. I don't remember. But anyway, that's where we're at. We're in Shelbyville, Tennessee, doing this beautiful home. We're doing the shop, and we're getting all the dirt and pollen off the deck. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.